guys, Steve here, RC. I'm with the Kyosho Javelin. My last video I swapped out the 25 tooth pinion and I put a 20 tooth in there, and I'm going to run it on 2S and we're going to see how it runs. I got the GPS meter, we're going to do a speed check, and if this stinks I think I'm going to put the 14 turn Kyosho 550 motor in there. So let me know in the comments down below if you think I should do that. Let's test it out and see what it does. Alright guys, I have the speed GPS meter on. I'm gonna go right here and do the little GPS speed run with this. Let me check if it's working. Yep, it's working. So here we go. Oh, forget it guys, it's too slow for me. This Silver Can 540 motor. What is that? 13.6. It's too slow for me. I don't know. Let me know in the comments below if I should pop in that 550 14 turn Kyosho motor, because I don't like this. It's not even 14 miles an hour. Ugh, no good. Failure, failure. Well, might as well give it a little run while we're here. See if it even gets hot. That was another thing I wanted to see if it gets hot. I put this little pinion gear on. Let's see if I can make it look good, and it's only going 13 miles an hour. Oh yeah, even crashes good at 13 miles an hour. Oh, that's cool. I gotta get that in slow motion. Now when I go to do it, I probably won't do it again. Ready? Here we go. See how hot the motor is. Motor feels cool. So with this silver can freaking motor, I could have probably went like 23 tooth and been on the safe side, but I went 20. I don't know, it's too slow anyhow. The hell's jammed up in here? Holy crap, look at that. I was wondering my suspension ain't working, but I think I'm gonna put a 550 in it. I think, look at that, my suspension's bound and I can't get that out. There it is. Lesson learned, don't drive in big rocks. Oh, that just did it in. Ugh, that wasn't good. I don't put the pins on here, so when that happens, you could just put it back on. So that's why I never put the snap pins in there. I don't know what it is with this belt drive. I tightened it up. I always hear this click. I don't know if you guys could hear it. Listen. I'm getting the loose stuff here. You can't hear it, but it makes a click, click, click. This makes a click all the time, no matter what I do with it. That's another reason why I never wanted to put a fast motor in it. I don't know if I should even put that 550 motor in here, because you could hear that click. I don't know if you see back on video, that was just doing it like crazy. Click, 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 click. I don't know if the belt's slipping, jumping, rocks get in it. I don't know. I know one thing, this ain't for like in the sand like this. I think it gets in on the belt. I see little pebbles sometimes. I think it's meant for a dirt track. So that's what I fear. Putting in a high torque 550 14 turn with that clicking sound. I fear it's just gonna rip this thing apart. So let me know what you guys think, if anyone has any one of these Kyosho Javelins, because I'm thinking the belt may get destroyed. Thinking I should have maybe put the chain drive on. There, you can hear it. Listen to this. Just flicking away. Oh, this thing is slow. Well, that's it with this one, guys. I hope you enjoyed that slow motion footage. I tried to make it look fast. Let's see how it looks out when I'm doing the video and it's done. Look back at it. Maybe it'll look fast, maybe it won't. I don't know. Hopefully it looks fast. Anyhow, silver can 540 Tamiya stock motors running cold. 20 tooth pinion, like 14 miles an hour, not even 13 and a half it was. I could probably go up to 23 tooth pinion, probably only get like probably 15 miles an hour, maybe 16, I'm not sure. But that's still too slow. I don't know. And I'm worrying about, like I said, dropping that 550 motor in there to 14 turn, because I think it might just blow this belt and everything apart. Let me know what you guys run in yours. Thanks for watching. What's that? Another rock? Didn't get the rocks caught in it all over. It's one bad part about the two-wheeler frame. You get everything in it. But anyhow, let me know in the comments below what you think and what you run in yours if you have one. And I'll see you guys next time. I appreciate y'all. I'm out with the Javelin. If you're new, subscribe, hit that bell so you don't miss future videos. Whoa, look at her go. She's fast, let me tell you. Like a Nyko. Woo! She's a wind out beauty. Alright, I'm out of here. All of it got is torque now.